Hi, my name is Vineet and my shop is in Chandigarh, the city beautiful, sector 48, North India. And we've been in the blessed that we have the shop in the most biggest market of Chandigarh. And we've established this business by my father like for 35 years back, and we've been serving people with the best, with the most variety of the diesel and petrol vehicles at a very reasonable prices. And we always believe in variety, so when it comes to engine oil, we have added all the varieties, and so we opted for Idemitsu oils, which provides us with 530 as well as 540 engine oil, and the 530 engine oil, which is best recommended for today vehicles as per the recommendation. So this is the best oil which we can provide to our customer. This establishment is like come to us again with a very good response and with very good team, which helps us a lot at all the points, whether it comes to our mechanic service or any sort of schemes. And we're getting the dealers as well as the team is very helpful and provides us with all the type of a persona which is required in our motor market, which is so to promote the sales. And in a very few time we have given a good sale to them, and the oil is very best. We get a very good reviews from the customers. All the customers with whom we have given them 530 always required and ask for us with their own mouth that they want this same oil, because I don't know, there's something very nice about the oil with the gradations as well as the SN gradation and SI gradations which they give us at a very reasonable price. So it is applicable in all the vehicles. So it is the best engine oil which is available with us at a very reasonable price. With this 530 oil, with the whomsoever customer we have provided them, it's like very fuel efficient, emission low. Whosoever takes it is very satisfied with it. And due to the busy schedule and the hectic schedule of people, nobody is able to like put the diesel vehicles on for like 10 minutes. So it is like so, it goes to the piston so smoothly in a rapid few minutes and seconds. So it is very good, and everybody is fully satisfied with it. And the problem that usually people used to say that the vehicle is like consuming more oil, it is also stopped now, and we're getting best reviews out of it. And the 530 oil, which is best for petrol as well as diesel, the best price I think only Idemitsu can be provide us. And this is the oil which we can recommend for all vehicles, and it's become a bit easy for us also to keep a lesser variety. At last, I would like to thank the Idemitsu team, which has been helpful at all the points and given us support wherever it is required. And they've even gone out of the way to help us to promote the oil. And I'm very thankful to them. If I'm able to sell the oil today, it's all because of their support and their regular coordination with me. And I'm very thankful to them. And then I'm very happy and glad that I am associated with Idemitsu oils. And I hope to see a very better future with them. Thank you.